Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Play Store account. So if you want to know how you can create Google Play Store account in 2025, here I'm going to guide you through the latest method to set up your Google Play Store so you can start downloading apps, games, movies, and more. So if you are using a new phone, usually you need to have a Play Store account to be able to download apps on your phone. So basically you just need to have a Google account, and if you don't have one, you can just sign up easily. So in here, you'll be asked to sign in when you are new to the Google Play Store. So I'm going to just click on add another account to sign up a new Gmail account. Okay, so in here you can just tap on this create account button and choose for personal use. Then you can just fill in this form. So add your first name and then last name, but this is optional, so you can just skip on that. Tap on next and enter your birthday and gender in here. Click on next again. Now choose your Gmail address. You can pick from this option or create your own if you want to by clicking on this button. You can write your Gmail address that you want in here and then tap on next again. So here I'm going to just choose this one, click on next. Then you can create a password after that. So just finish this, and after that you'll be asked to add a recovery email, but you can skip that part. And once you finish creating the Google account, it will automatically log in into your Google Play Store. So you can start downloading games, apps, or movies that you want from here. So that's very much all. That's the beginner-friendly instructions to create Google Play Store account on mobile. So this guide is perfect for anyone who's new to Android and or needs a fresh Play Store account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.